Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, I am going to do a complete decor makeover. I am taking all these dark colors out. It's just time to get rid of all the dark colors, and I wanted to add some lighter colors because this bathroom is not a huge guest bathroom. So I wanted to just make it look a little bit more airy, and just using light colors will make it look like it's bigger, even though it's not. First step is to remove everything from the bathroom. So I'm taking everything out, I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to add everything back in there. And because this is holiday time, we do have a lot of family staying with us. We are having a lot of Christmas parties, so I wanted to go ahead and add some Christmas decor in there also. But of course, after the holidays, I'm going to take all the Christmas decor out, and we're just going to leave it without the Christmas decor. So I think just adding that little touch of Christmas in the bathroom was such a good idea.
So strong, no. Let's go and take it all the way to the top. Baby, we will never stop. I won't let you go, no. Hey, gotta make you a confession. Boy, you're the most beautiful I've ever seen. Like a king, baby, you're the one for me. Hey, pretty boy, I got a question. Do you wanna roll with me? Do you wanna stroll with me? Come on, come on.
And most of you know I didn't buy a lot of stuff for Christmas this year, but I did buy everything new in this bathroom. So I found this shower curtain at Home Goods, and I have never used a cloth shower curtain, so it was a little different for me, but I love the pattern on the shower curtain, and it said it was mildew free, and evidently it's waterproof, but it literally feels like a sheet. So that's what we're going to put up. I just really love the way this plaid shower curtain looked. And just a quick tip, I always add curtains. Now these are just regular curtains that I always put on the outside of the shower curtain, and I layer it. I've always done that, and I've seen that ideal walking through a model home, because I love to walk through model homes and just get ideals, get inspiration, and it just makes me happy.
Yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most.
And I got all those curtains from Home Goods. When I get curtains for the bathroom, I just make sure they are really light. I definitely don't get any heavy curtains for the bathroom.
Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready. 'cause I made reservations. Too many
And the curtains that I'm putting up right now, they are 96 inches.
I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know.
I wish they had shower curtains that were 96 inches at Home Goods, but they didn't, so I'm just gonna go with this for now, and I love it. I guess I can look on Amazon and see if they have longer shower curtains. That way it can match the curtains that I put up on the outside of the shower. Everything you see me putting in this bathroom, I got from Home Goods.
Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
And all I did there was I took the little ribbons that were wrapped around the brand new towels that I got. I just took those off the towels and I used those to make a little bow. Those are the cutest soap and lotion dispensers I have seen. So when I saw those, I had to get those. So it's a little Christmas tree and then there is a present. It's a tall present. And I put lotion in one and hand soap in the other. And I got the ideal of putting a Christmas tree in the bathroom from Home Goods, actually. I went into their bathroom and there was a Christmas tree on the counter. And I thought that was a brilliant ideal. So that's where I got that ideal of putting a little Christmas tree in the bathroom. And all I did was fill that with Christmas tree ornaments. I ended up putting a gray towel underneath that tray just because it was sliding back and forth. And those little branches, I got that from the Dollar Tree years ago. I ended up taking that bow off because it just would not stay. And I had to just stuff those little ornaments in the tree because I could not find any hooks that I had left over for the life of me. We have some, I just don't know where we put them. So I had to just kind of stuff them into the tree. That's why you see them falling out. So I decided to put the bow on the vase in the corner there. That snowman came from Home Goods also. So the artwork that I put up that is just something that I've already had. I actually spray painted that years ago, the dark gray color. So I decided to put it in here because it actually goes with the decor that I'm going for. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. I just want to say I appreciate you guys watching the channel. And if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To all my old subscribers, thank you guys for all the support. And I will see you guys in the comment section and on the next video. Bye guys.